Hi guys, I'm going to introduce another tool and safety. Okay, this is a bow saw. Okay, this is the handle of the bow saw, and this is the cover of the bow saw's blade. This is how I take off the cover. This is the blade of the bow saw, and this is the cutting edge. If I'm not using, or I'm finished using my bow saw, I'm going to clean the blade and I'm going to put the cover like this. I stand with my bow saw like this. I walk with my bow saw like this. If I need to pass my bow saw to somebody, I pass my bow saw like this. I use my bow saw 2 arms length plus a tool away from anybody else except for my partner. I use the bow saw to cut anything that's bigger than a $5 coin. I use gloves on my helping hand if I'm working with a bow saw. If I'm not using the bow saw, I'm gonna put the bow saw down, handle facing out, blade facing in towards me. When I'm done using the bow saw, I'm going to return the bow saw to the designated area or to the toolbox where it's assigned. Thank you.